Okay, hello everyone. I was expecting a small room full of Harmony hackers. So, so I give a basic intro for those who are not acquainted with Harmony. We are a layer one blockchain. We are EVM compatible. So basically, that means that if you want to deploy in Harmony and you are already deployed on Ethereum, the same contracts should work. If not, if is the first time you're deploying, well, I guess yes, it's easy, and we are low fee, fast blockchain, so it's a good place to start. So this is a technical workshop. So basically, I'm doing this one because it's one of the questions I have more common from developers. We don't use Etherscan. We have our own explorer. This is usually how our explorer looks like, the transactions. And this is usually when you look for a transaction in the explorer, this is what the information you get from the explorer. So sometimes it's hard to extract this information. The basic fields are kind of easy to access, but other fields like the token transfers, like the transaction fees, are not necessarily easy to get. So you have to go through the WebSocket directly. So we don't have an API per se. So you go to the WebSocket. So this is what I'm about to show. You basically get the endpoint, either testnet or mainnet, and you got access. You request the feed, and the feed should give you a big bulk of information. This big bulk information have to be parsed. So basically, the best way to do this is to give you the logs by field. The fields are actually, let me close this. The fields are actually this information here, right? So you basically ask them to get you the fields, and it will give you the fields. And you only need to parse them after you get it. And how you parse them is basically you have to let them know it's about topics. I showed you how a regular response. Where is? Okay, oh no, here it is. So a regular response when you hit that endpoint is this. You get topics of information, and each one has all the information of the fields. So you just need to tell him which topic you want to select, and then it will give you all the information in bytecode. So you need to parse it. So the first thing you need to know is which topic are you pointing, right? In this case, I'm trying to get this information, trying to get the token transfer. So I'm for this demo, I'm just trying to do. So I just know the name of the address of the topic, and that is transfer topic is this one, and then you ping the endpoint with this. It will give you the bulk. Then it will give you a lot of fields. And then when you get the parse information, you just point the field, you know.
Just zoom in a little more on the other page.
This one? Of course, yeah, sure. So this is the one I'm trying to get, this one. So one of the issues here is that it's not well documented which field you are pointing to, right? So I have a big list that I can provide if you need it, but otherwise you can go through the whole bulk and look what you're needing for. But the response you're getting is this one, right? Sorry. You're getting this one. So you get the topic, and then you get all the information. You just need to point it in there. So I'm working on a document where you can get, I'm getting the more common fields. You can always talk to us if you don't find it. But this is basically the first approach. You get all the bulk, and all up to here, when it's parsed, then you need to go the name of the 1, 2, 3, 4, until you get the one you need. Or, I will try to get the mapping published so everyone can use it. So that's basically the way. The reason I kept getting this question is because we don't have an API per se. We're not using Etherscan or anything. So I created this library so people can, easily access the Explorer information. Yeah, that was pretty much it. I mean, I was expecting a little more people coding, so I was thinking more time from the Q&A. But, we are having the Harmony Hub up front for the guys doing the hackathon. This morning, actually, I was like two people asking me this. So if you get stuck, if you need information from the Explorer, stop by. It's open until midnight. If you're in the hackathon, even if you're not in the hackathon, you just want to know about it. We are always some technical person there to help you guys, and also you can get food and good networking. So, yeah. Yeah, the building up front is called the Colorado History something. You will see the Harmony signs there. So stop by. Any technical question you have, not only related with this. This code is completely JavaScript, so it's TypeScript. And the only actual library you need to import is this socket, the IO client. The rest is your pure parsing and native stuff in JavaScript. So no, it will run easily in React. No, nothing. You don't need to do much else. So I don't know if you have any questions. If it does not, that's all I have.